How to use Instagram Beginner's Guide. New to Instagram? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete, and this video I'll walk you through the basics of using Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you haven't installed Instagram yet, check out our installation tutorial, or you can easily go to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and then install it. Once your account is set up, you will land on the home screen. After that, at the top you will see stories from people you follow. You can tap a profile icon to view them. So stories disappear after 24 hours and are great for sharing moments quickly. Below, you will find your feed with posts from accounts you follow, along with sponsors and suggested posts. If you want to interact with posts, you can like a post by tapping the heart icon. In order to comment, you can easily select the comment icon next to it using the message bubble, and you can easily comment here. Now you can share your post using the paper airplane icon, and then you can easily choose the DMs, stories, or external apps as well. If you wish to explore and search, you can easily tap the magnifying glass at bottom left corner to explore new content based on your activity. You can search, or you can even use the search bar at top of your screen, and then you can find the topics, users, or hashtags. To follow someone, you can search their name, and then you can easily visit their profile. And then you can easily tap on the follow icon if you haven't yet, suppose in this way, and you can request, and if they accept, then you will become their followers. If you wish to post on Instagram, you can simply navigate to the plus icon at bottom center to create a post. Now you can easily select a post or video, apply filters and adjust the settings, and you can even add caption, hashtag, locations or music. Then you can easily tap on the share, and if you wish to post the reels, you can easily select the reel instead of regular post, and you can check out the reels tutorial on our channel as well. So reels are short vertical videos similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can easily tap on the message icon to access the DMs at top right, where you can easily send the text, voice messages, and even video call friends. So at the top of the DMs, you will get the Instagram note. You can select your note, and you can easily add any message of your choice, add music, and even the photo or video. You can even mention your friends and allow you to share short text updates. For notifications and profile, you can navigate to the heart icon at top right to see the likes, comments, and new followers. You can tap your profile at bottom right corner to view your posts, reels, and tagged photos. You can even access your activity from the menu at top right corner in order to view your interactions on Instagram. So these are the basics of Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.